Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satyam and today I am so excited about sharing my Accenture Joining Kit unboxing with you all. So if you are about to join Accenture or you are just curious about what is inside it, so let's dive into the video and see what's inside this joining kit. So here is the joining kit. It's come with a nice logo of Accenture, come in the nice packaging. So let's open it and see what's inside this joining kit. Logo, as you can see the Accenture logo on the top. So we'll open and see what's inside it. So as you can see, it is a nice design we have. After that, we have one welcome to Accenture. This small and the beautiful card we have. It will give the nice touch to new joiner to feel special at the moment of joining. So this is the first thing, the card, welcome card. After that, we have a pen. As you can see, this is a pen. So it's a small but yet useful. You can write down in the meetings and all. So this is one pen. The structure or it's a wooden texture pen. Okay. After that, we have a water bottle. So this is the water bottle. It's come with a packaging. So we'll open it and see how the water bottle is there. So we get this water bottle. It's really cool. As you can see, it's wooden design style. It's cool and it's looking premium. So as you can see, this is a water bottle. So yeah, this is one water bottle we are getting. I'll keep it aside. Okay. And finally, we have one diary. We have two diary actually. Yeah, we have two diary. It's perfect for making the notes and keeping the track of important stuff. So this is the diary we have. So that's all you will get in the joining kit, but that's not all you will get after joining to Accenture. You will get laptop along with headset you will get, but you will not get the laptop bag along with the laptop. So that's all from the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and we'll meet you again. Thanks for the watching video.